JT.
Bro,
What up, G?
Go, bro. What's up, G?
Swiper, quit swiping, bro.
What is going on, guys? Sidearms here, aka Sidearms. And I'm here with my boys D20 and D4.
Damn.
They drove all the way from Alaska to here.
Damn.
It's going down, man. It's going down. So thanks, guys, for stopping by. D4, you might need to speak up a little bit.
Damn.
Damn. But
Not
what's going on, guys? Last time I did a video like this, you guys really liked it. So today we're doing it again, bro. We got my boys here. Sorry, I'm wilding out because my friends are here. Yeah.
Wilding.
But we here in the Model X, as you know. My friends keep calling
Referral
it damn
code
Prius.
down below.
Yeah, that's true that. But we here. There's a lot of green, and I got something to ask you guys. So we met long ass time ago. Today's the first day. You guys saw my parents, saw my house, everything. What you think? And let's just start with that.
I mean, your family is super nice. Like you, I mean, you're nice anyway. So we kind of figured the whole family would be like that. It was, super chill. We sat around and talked to him for a little while.
7 years messed with you, son?
Yeah.
You showed us pictures of your house before, but it was a lot different when we actually got there. Like I don't know, y'all made a lot of upgrades and stuff since then, and showed us around your spot. It's kind of cool to see like where the lab, as I call it, where you actually
the
record
office.
and stuff. Yeah. That's kind of cool to see how you do stuff, and I always learn little bitty things from each other, watching each other edit stuff, watching each other set up stream, and just do a lot of little stuff. And it's kind of cool to kind of connect all the pieces with your mom's face, because you're like, my mom just came in and gave me some fruit and some Doritos. And you're like, what?
Doritos.
So,
she spilled a bag of Doritos all over. My whole channel's gone.
Piecing all that together is pretty cool, though.
Yeah, thanks, bro. We put on the autopilot, by the way.
Yeah, so now we can all climb in the back.
Yeah, so we're chilling
until someone breaks.
Yeah, exactly. Someone breaks.
So we hit a red
It asks you to hold the steering wheel every like 2 minutes to make sure you're not
still
alive.
alive.
Yeah, it's like, hey, are you there? It's like, come on, bro, hit me up, man, you there?
Like the Cadillac ones have a thing like in the top of the steering wheel.
Yeah,
where, like,
if you don't
makes
look at
your
it.
eye contact.
Yeah.
Looking forward, like if you turn on your head,
it'll trip. Yeah. But appreciate you guys stopping by. Let's end the episode now. Okay. So, what do you guys think of, like, am I different in person than I am online? Now, just be real. I mean, no need to.
I think you're one of the few that are pretty much the same person.
Hey, thanks.
I mean,
Autopilot, bro.
Yes, I didn't like that answer.
Yeah.
Sorry, Elon. That's incorrect. No, but I think, I mean, you've always been you, and I think that's one of the main things that's good about the crew is, like, everybody's just always been themselves. So, like, if people don't like us, they don't like us.
Yeah.
They don't watch us, it's whatever. But, I mean, we just do our own stuff. Like, when we talk with each other, we do the same, we talk the same we do in
jokes,
videos. Yeah, I mean, it's the same as just like us hanging out with friends, telling jokes. And we were talking about yesterday how people were, like, talking about how we used to, like, script GTA videos, and, like, we don't.
So what do you mean? Yeah, this is the first time I'm hearing about it.
Yeah, we may lay out stuff like, hey, we're gonna do this, and then do this, and like, okay, and then we just fucking improv it from there.
Yeah.
And like, I mean, there's some stuff that we've cut out, that's like, a boring section or whatever, cut out of video. But I mean, for the most part, we just keeps it real.
Yeah, for real, man. Appreciate it. Thanks for you guys keep it real too. You guys always took care of me and stuff. My parents wanted to do way more for you guys, but you guys. Yeah, tripping. Be like, no, we don't want that. I was like, man, what the fuck? No.
Well, you told them we didn't want that.
Yeah, true.
You're like, Mom, don't talk to my friends. You're embarrassing me.
Because,
that's how I talk to them.
Mom, when'd you learn English?
The meatloaf. He yelled that like 4 times last night. We never got meatloaf. I don't know.
No fruit, no Doritos. Yeah. That's amazing, bro. But you guys always took care of me and everything, so thank you. Thanks for stopping by my house. We mentioned the alcoholic Joel.
Yes.
My dad was like, oh yeah, that guy. Alcoholic, am I right? No, he didn't actually say that.
Am I right?
He did remember Joel though, so that's good. Pretty sure we're supposed to, okay.
Jesus, dude.
Nah, bro, it's just, come on,
what
let me.
What you mean, bro?
What's the way I was getting crazy, man?
No, 4 car links, Jesus.
Savage, why you got a 29 car garage, but you only have 2 cars? D4 and D20. Now, it's no secret you guys are like, actual adults. I'm still, I'm an adult, but not really. What would, like, why did you guys just you were triggered by me because I didn't tell you how old I was at first, right? And then at that point, it was too late to answer. I guess this is more for D4.
When I first met you, when I heard your voice, I thought you were like 18 at least. And we didn't, we always assumed you were older. We played with another side group or whatever at the time. And you weren't like a regular all the time. You were like a guy that would come in and play a couple games, and you were really good and stuff. And I didn't really like learn your age until probably a year or so afterwards. But I remember when we did learn your age, it was like, oh my God, you're like fucking.
Yeah, it's like, oh my God, you're 2 years old.
Yeah.
2 years old. You're an infant and you have this deep voice. I didn't start YouTube till later, like sidearms, like D4. You know, he was on YouTube long before we were. And so it was like, I would just play, like I didn't have any kind of like office or setup or anything. Like all my stuff was like in the living room. So like I bought my first set of Turtle Beaches.
Yeah.
And I'd sit in there in the living room and like sit, you know, like 30 feet away from my big screen, like playing games with you guys. And so like, it took me a while till I even like recognized people's voices, because I didn't get on like every night and stuff like that. And it just kind of evolved, and you know, I eventually started uploading, and you know, got a thing to record and all that stuff.
And then the Fine Bros struck your channel.
Yeah, and I started a new channel.
Yeah.
Thanks, Fine Bros.
And no joke, I know, haha joke, but for real, the Fine Bros fuck D20 up.
Because they didn't want him doing reaction to.
Yeah.
Even though you did change it up and make it your own.
Yeah, that's free. They need to quit tripping.
Yeah.
So, anyways. We're not trying to bring up skeletons in the closet. Fine, bro. It's fine. No, it's fine, bro.
It's fine, bro.
Alright, anyways. But out of like, so from when you first met me at Joel's wedding to like now, like, would you say I've gotten? I feel like I've gotten more comfortable with you all.
Yeah, I think
like,
anything with time, you're always going to get more comfortable with people.
Well, we were the first ones you met, right?
Yeah,
when we met you at the airport.
Yeah, because we met at the O'Hare airport.
Yeah.
I thought you had met someone else before that.
No, that's you all the ones, bro.
Yeah. Shout out to Chi-Town, Windy City.
Yeah, Windy City.
We met Shadow.
Yeah.
Too.
Shadow.
Yeah, that's where my famous
baggage
hat.
claim. Yeah.
Yeah, the shout out to baggage claim.
Shout out to baggage claim.
And D4 was hitting on the Uber driver.
Yeah.
You've lost
like
your
90.
mind. I was being nice, you fucks.
But like, okay, so the first time you met me, what did you think I was weird? Like, did you think
we thought about fucking with you?
Yeah.
We thought about getting some weird dude. Okay, there's this kind of I don't know how
flamboyant,
to say it. Flamboyant guy, yes.
In pink
he had
capri
like
shorts.
Capri shorts on, and just looked really like he was full of himself. Like he was proud to be there at that point. But anyways, we thought about going up to him and telling him who you were.
And like when this guy gets off the plane, we'll give you $20 to go like hug him and be like, "It's me, D4."
Yeah.
And
because I didn't know what you guys looked like, really.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you'd seen like
I've seen pictures
maybe once.
Yeah, but it wasn't like that great of an angle.
Yeah.
Yeah, we literally walked you from one terminal to the other.
Yeah, because you guys, the gate to Lansing was like so fucking far away.
Yeah, it was so far.
Yeah.
But it was the gate to
Autopilot,
Lansing was right beside our gate that we got off our plane.
Yeah.
But we walked all the way to the other end of the airport to get you, and then all the way back.
Yeah, we planned it like this. I think we ended up like that night we took like an hour to book the shit. Not an hour, but you know, I was there like scared, like, man, I don't know what the fuck to do.
Is that your first time traveling by yourself?
Yeah, first time traveling by myself. But I mean, I thought it was gonna be way harder. I mean, really, as long as you know how to read, and I'm not fucking around. As long as you know how to read, you can travel by yourself, because you just need to read the signs. Like, okay, my gate is B8. You gotta look at the shit. Where's fucking B? All right, over here.
You don't even really know how to read. Just know your letters and numbers.
Yeah, exactly. But okay, I'm gonna take it off autopilot for this shit. You see how fucking crazy, bro?
Damn, slow down,
for real,
Elon.
just drive like a normal person.
Okay.
Put it in
Fuck
4-wheel
low.
You're really tripping me out.
Bro, you just relax.
What do you mean? I mean, like,
it's not made for these streets. So first of all, I'm breaking the rules because I want to show you guys. I'm looking. I'm attentive.
Hey, listen, you ain't got to show me. Just drive. I want my life.
Show me or blow me, as they say.
I don't think anybody ever said that.
Yeah, the classic saying.
Classics.
Jesus Chrysler.
All right, I'm gonna leave it up to you guys. Left or right up here. And you can.
What you mean?
We're going left or right,
Go
bro?
left, man.
All right, look at this fucking cornfield over here. You guys can't see this shit. Look
Part of it. side, I think you actually got that right. I think it is cornfield.
You acting like I don't know my corn, bro.
Dude, if you don't
Corn
stop
boy don't know his
braking
corn.
on these damn turns and these damn stops.
It's a stop sign, man. What
No,
you
but
want
you were
me to
like
do,
hard
bro?
braking. Skirt.
It's charging that gas up.
Yeah, yeah.
Get some gas back.
Let's
Those
get
are nice
it.
houses.
Yeah, these are nice houses over here.
Decide, why did you? What
Wait.
made you decide to start like
YouTube?
doing YouTube stuff?
Okay.
Like, why did you start following D4s real quick?
So D4 was like one of the only ones doing like funny stuff. Then everyone else was like,
no, he's since
here's-
quit
yeah,
doing funny stuff.
yeah. I think we've all kind of quit comedy because I mean that's Brian. Because I don't know, that was okay.
Shut up.
All right, so
Yeah,
no
we
problem. But he was the only one doing comedy, and I like that, but I was more into like, because I mean I'm still pretty alright, but like back then I was like more into the games I played more like competitively, like fuck man I died, I gotta get better and shit like that. And I'm just like alright, fuck it, who cares?
Yeah.
So I was seeing these people like Blame Truth and stuff, you know, recording commentaries, and you know I thought it was pretty cool. I started a channel to show like you guys and like my other friends like funny clips that happened, like the fucking like the most powerful FAMAS and stuff, like where we would quick scope with the thermal sights on random weapons like the UMP. But then I was like, man, why am I getting so stressed out over a game? So I started, you know, watching more funny videos and shit like that. And like I wouldn't actually really get stressed out that much. I just get like mad at MW2 sometimes.
Right,
like people kill me with noob tubes and shit like that. You know what I mean?
Classic.
I don't know what the speed limit is, by the way. It doesn't tell me on the little screen, but I hope it's
I
fucking
think
30.
it's 90 or something.
You're going slow right now. You're good.
Yeah. But I saw D4. And D4 had a little thing on his channel, like the FAQ. It said, you know, I don't know, fucking what games you play, something like that. And then one of them was like, hey, can I add you? And then the question was sure. I think it was oh, the answer was sure. My bad. Narrow bridge, bro. But that's. I added him. I don't know why you decided to add me, or how the hell you guys didn't remove me after I followed you like 100 times. But
Well, I had a lot of people adding me at that point, but they were like XX Sniper, XX 360, yeah, whatever. Like if I saw Speedy's name back then, I would have never added him.
Look at this time, bro.
But I saw yours and yours was clean. It said sidearms for a reason.
No, like crazy.
No,
X's or
nothing. Just straight gangster. And I was like, all right, I'll add it. Whatever. It's all good.
All right, we about to do a launch, bro.
Yeah.
No.
You put on launch control.
that was 30 miles an hour. That was 30 miles.
Yeah, 0 to the speed limit.
Yeah, whatever the speed limit is. It tells me my screen, but I don't want to ruin it for you guys. Make it seem like it's faster than it is, you know.
Yeah.
But
we get 10,000 likes. He'll tell you the
Yeah.
exact speed we get to.
if we can get 29 likes.
29.
Oh shit, we're back to civilization. Shit.
Oh man.
But that's, I mean, pretty much, man. And then we've been playing every night. Like I play with you guys and talk to you guys more than I do like some family. Like besides like my immediate family, of course, you know.
Right, yeah.
But like even sometimes, I don't think there's a single day that goes by where I don't talk to at least like you guys on Discord or on
Text. Or
yeah
something.
text or some shit. Like send you guys a picture like, oh shit, look at this.
Yeah.
I could have gone.
Probably.
Yeah, that's okay. I was too busy trying to think of what to
You
say.
use all your battery back there.
Well, fellas, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to say hello to you guys. Pretty much. Okay, so last question. Okay, now
Yeah.
be real,
Okay.
nothing crazy.
Okay.
Don't even say the P word. What do you think about this car?
What was the P word?
Prius.
Oh, what'd you say?
priceless.
Where's the set?
Okay.
Priceless.
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 I think it's
Pussy
worth it in the
magnet.
long run. I think if you keep it for a while, that the gas will like end up paying for a majority of the car. And
Yeah.
I mean, if you like it and it gets you, you know,
Yeah,
it
man.
makes you feel
Yeah.
good. And
I mean, either way you look at it, it's a waste. You know what I mean? But we having fun, man. I mean, what's the point? Can't take it with me when I die, you know?
Right?
You're only 7 once.
Yeah,
so.
exactly. I'm never gonna. My dad was like, "You're never gonna be more free than now." So you better you need to quit tripping.
Yeah.
It's like, damn. All right, you're right, Dad. So
smart man.
it's nice, bro. I mean, the autopilot there was kind of janky, but you
Oh,
know,
behind some student drivers.
oh, we are.
Yeah.
Oh shit, yeah, we are. Let's look. Well, before we die, we're gonna go ahead and sign off. If you guys don't see this, then you won't know we said this. But thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Let me know what else you guys want me to see. Talk about it, even if it's by myself. I'd be down to do one of these like by myself. But I like having you guys here. Appreciate y'all stopping by at D4G20.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
Damn,
Check out the channels. You know, hit it up. But appreciate you guys watching one more again. See you guys next time. Later, homeboys.